Good afternoon. I'm out here in front of the raised bed garden. We've been cleaning it up from the summer planting, which isn't much in Florida. And we'll be getting it ready here shortly for the fall planting of veggies. But I am here for this bush. It is the Golden Thryallis, our golden shower bush. It is doing wonderful this year. You can see we have this one in full sun. I'll take you to another one that we have in morning sun, afternoon shade that's even doing better. You can see just how prolific this plant is with its flowering. It just looks wonderful. Hummingbirds like it. Butterflies like it, but they will tend to go to other flowers first. The bees, they could take it and when the flowers first open, but once it gets to this point in the day, they'll leave it alone. What bees really love, which is funny in Florida, is this. It is a weed, Biden's alba. Any flower in the garden, they will pass over to get to that weed. They absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to collect some seeds. I'll put them on Etsy for sale, or if you live by us, come on by, I'll give you some for free. This one, I've already taken some of the seeds off. There's a lot more on it, just not ready to go. I don't know if you can see right here. They are green. They'll turn black and just about fall off in your hands once it's ready. But this little flower garden in front of the raised beds have done great this year. Some plumbago, some cat whisker, some little red flowers I can't remember the names of. Penta has been doing great. Hibiscus, we probably shouldn't have planted it here. It's going to get way too big, but it flowers off and on all through the summer. Love this tubular vine. The hummingbirds absolutely love it as well. That was probably knee high at the beginning of the season. Now it's about half a foot taller than me, so 6.5 feet or so. Some more cat whiskers and penta. The cat whiskers have been blooming so much that they are taking away all the nutrients from the leaves. I usually don't feed the flowers, but I'm going to give those two cat whiskers probably just some 10-10-10. Get them going. Now, they say, back to the Thryallis, they say it does better in full sun. This bush here is about 6 feet tall and is doing fabulous. It gets sun in the morning until about 11. And you can see we're up underneath a pine tree that probably needs to be cut down. But it provides shade all afternoon to this bush. And it is doing fabulous. So again, we have more green seeds, lots of green seeds. We're looking for little black ones. Oops, sorry, my finger got in the way. You can see there's some black seeds. All you really have to do, reach in. They fall right off in your hand. That's when they're ready. To plant these, it's pretty easy. I'll take you through how we plant them real quick here in a few minutes. But again, this bush is in morning sun, afternoon shade, and flowering like crazy. Let me know what you think about this Thryallis, and if you have it in your garden, what's it attract? What doesn't it attract? One of the nice things is deer will not eat this bush. Let me know what you've noticed about yours. Alright, I was too lazy to get the tripod, so just going to do this quick by hand. It's very easy. These Thryallis seeds, you want to soak them for 24 hours, unless they're green. You can plant green ones directly into the soil, and they have pretty good germination rate. But have a pot of compost, peat, and some just garden soil mixed together, 30%, 30%, 30%. I have the garden seeds that have been soaking. These seeds tend to float, but they're still good. Basically, we're just going to sprinkle the seeds on top. I've pre-wet that soil. It is soaked. So we're sprinkling some seeds. I think we put 6 in there. Throw a little more water on. It's draining fairly good, but it was really soaked. Then I just have some seed starting mix. I'll just do a light dusting of that on top. Not much, just a little to protect the seeds. Because the bottom's so wet, I'm not going to re-water it. Sorry about my camera work, not very good today. Now these will probably take a good 10 to 14 days to pop through. You can also do cuttings of this bush. They'll go a lot quicker, but there's so many seeds on these bushes, it's a shame to have them go to waste. Alright, I'll place this in partial shade. They like sun to germinate. And 10 to 14 days, we'll see something pop up out of those 6. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, and if you stuck around this long, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, sorry about that. Maybe next time. Have a great day. Be safe if you're in Florida. The hurricane is coming. Have a good day.